Hey guys, so today we're going to unboxing Kenji and Duchess. Yes. First, let's take a look at the box. There's his series and the Thomas logo. See, this is not Trackmaster anymore. This is going to be called Motorized from now on. And in Kenji, you get that Thomas and then James and Rebecca checklist, I think. And a question mark somehow. ThousandFriends.com. It's the same thing as Duchess, but he's got different. He's got Thomas, Gordon, and Nia. Check out checklist. Okay, let's see. Oh, it doesn't even say her story, I guess. Alright, so now I'll be right back, and I'll unbox it. Alright, I finally did it. I finally unboxed them. Okay, first let's take a look at Kenji. Alright, he's a bullet train, and he's got the guy. He doesn't have buffers, of course. He's a bullet train, and he's got these. He's a coach. Well, he's a bullet train. He's got these passengers right in front, the middle, and the back. These two coaches. Alright, looks like these two actually. See, these three has something like the black things on their roofs. And I think these are air conditioners right here at the corners. That's probably it. And there's his windows right here. Oh, and the Thomas series, this one, it could open, but not actually right here like this one, but in the series it can open. You should know what I meant. Oh yeah, there's an air conditioner right here. And that's Kenji for you, and he's got these two lights. Okay. Now that's all for Kenji. Next up is Duchess, or should I say the Royal Engine. She's got the crown or cow catcher. She's got her nameplate. She's got the year 2020. Like, she actually got the year 2020. Like, she's in her number 2020, and this year is 2020. LMS. I don't know what that stands for. And there's the Royal Coach. I think that's the Queen and her son, and the guard. There's the coal, the dome, and the top. She has these nails right here, and these bumps right here. These are nails. And the rail bar, and of course, her buffers is actually darkened this time. Well, not actually. Yeah, I put batteries in them. You see? Sorry, I got the hiccups. And there we have these. Now, don't worry. Today, I'm going to make another Thomas team. If you saw episode 2, you'll see it. So, Duchess and Kenji will come in Thomas team. I promise you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications.